When working with athletes, we marvel at how big and strong and fast they are. We marvel at their physiques. We marvel at their physical prowess. But rarely do we talk about how strong an individual's mind is, how mentally tough that individual is, and how that individual has used their mental toughness to become a better player. It is my belief that the mind is the strongest muscle in the body. With that being the case, it controls every human function in the body. It controls how you breathe, how you smell, how you react to certain things. And with practice, it can become a very, very powerful tool. It can be your bridge, your personal bridge to travel, to peace, prosperity, and a number of wonderful things. Take care of your mind, grow it, and utilize the wonderful asset that has been given to you that is the strongest, most powerful tool in your entire body.